on celebrating a birthday. Yeah, that's my number one chick, down the main. The one that always had my back, down the main. When me and my babe broke up, down the main. She be the chick up on site, down the main. Don't let her get turned up, down the main. She my hero for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets, cause I know that she gon' keep up. Ain't nothing come between us. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she up in here with me right now. I said that my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she know that she my ride or die. So all you haters looking, you could try tonight, cause I'm down for whatever when she pop inside. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, we always be down for life. One of the baddest chicks in this club. One of the only girls that I love. Been down with her since day one. Can't nobody break this up. My ride or die. So all you haters looking, you could try tonight, cause I'm down for whatever when she pop inside. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, we always be down for life. One of the baddest chicks in this club.
I gotta make it, I'm tired of waiting, I gotta take it, I gotta face it, I gotta chase it, I can just taste it, cause I've been down so long.
Yeah, I gotta make it.
Hey guys, what's poppin', what's not stop? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new to my channel and not subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Every time I post a video, you will be the first to get notified, and you can go watch my video and stuff. So before we jump in the video, guys, I just want to say thank you for all the birthday wishes, guys. I know my only art on a comment, I never like say thank you, because it was so much, and I could answer to everybody. I never want nobody feel left out, so I just give everybody a art because the art easier. So now me telling you thank you for all the birthday wishes, and yeah. So hey guys, so the topic you're going to talk about, guys, if you're not really sensitive, if you're not agree or if you're not disagree, if you don't know someone can't take that topic off, please don't because just click off of the video right now. Now watch it and all them someday. So just no matter with the hate and the negativity, but just talk my life and stuff like that. So I want to come here for the thumbnail and the title. So no, for my previous video, then when I drop about my pregnancy, everybody been saying congratulations and all that, which I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But also some people ask me, because somebody say, oh, I never want a baby and something like that, and then they say me that think about abortion and them something. Everybody asks me, yo, if I go abort the baby, if I go keep the baby, please keep the baby, please do not abort the baby and stuff like that. So this video for clarify everything, you know, clear up everything and all that. So the reason why I did ever think about abortion, guys, is because as I said, I never ready yet, and to me, I did say I'm too young, even though I'm grown. I did say I'm too young, and there's a whole lot of things I did want to accomplish before thinking about bringing a baby into the world, which I mean, I don't know, but yeah, that's how I did that thing. But so it's just like everything just happened for a reason. Reason why I said that, like couple days, I think like 2-3 days before I find out I'm pregnant, guys, I did have like a whole lot of money, a whole bunch of money, and I spend up all of that money there one day. Like I spend off the whole over $20,000 one day, right? And then I find out like 2 days after you say I'm pregnant, and I say shit, if I did ever find out this before, I would even spend the money they do what I do, but I just boom got about the baby and stuff like that. So that's one reason to say, yo, for sure say maybe me not about it and something like that. Second thing, no, when I bring it up to my family, say, yo, I want to do that. Nobody never did that support me. Everybody I say that wrong, that is a sin. A baby is a blessing and a gift from God, and that is true. That is true. So then I say a baby is a blessing and a gift from God, and a whole lot of people like. So a whole lot of people not have, like, them can't get pregnant, and imagine me get the opportunity and the chance to be pregnant and want to be about the baby. Like, that is really selfish, and all of them something there. And like, me did not look into it, but at the time me never really care, because having a baby is what me never want. So, and then, you know, me take a couple of days and something that me I think about it, and me I say, if my mother did abort me, guys, me would be there right now. Me would have much in subscribers, much in followers, much fans, so much supporters, so much in people who like me, much in people who hate me. Wouldn't have all of that. So me I say no, nobody know what a baby I go become. You understand? Like, so if me go have that baby have the chance of becoming probably a doctor, a teacher, or a nurse, like that would have been so unfair of me to do that. You understand? Like, me I think say, well, better me just stop thinking about that and just give the baby the fair chance of having a life. Right? Because my parents give me the fair chance of having a life. Right now, I can make a video phone and stuff like that. So it's just a whole lot of things me did that think about. And to me, like them say every sin are the same sin, but to me every sin depends on the level of sin, some worse than some. That's how me think personally, because me think if somebody go out there and like thief, say a thief 50,000 off from somebody, to me that the sin then a rough as like say yo boom, you walk down the store and go kill somebody, that just rougher to me. So if me forgot say yo me about the baby, you know, gotta go send me big time this so. And I can't deal with all of that, you know. So me I think say yo me aborting it could have make me feel happier, and you know all them somebody, but then looking at it that now gonna make me feel happier. Maybe at the time it's gonna make me feel happy, but then when you start think about it and something like that, that now gonna make you feel happier. Probably like depressed and this and that and all them something. So as I'm saying now, when I did that thing about aborting the baby, guys, me like watch a whole lot of video. Like people would do it, like me did I look past some, me did I try to get something to motivate me for one do it. You understand? So I watch this YouTube video when the girl that said she do it when she did that 2 months and that she did alright and this and that. Me just not watch a bag of things to say yeah, me feel good, me can do it. Nothing now go do me and stuff like that. As well as me come across one next video with one doctor that tell say yo the impact him do how much in abortion. Whole heap of abortion for woman, and like some of them never make it through. Some of them go to the wrong doctor and like them not do it good, so they left like it make them can't get pregnant again, or it left like things in them so they get infection, and it's just a whole lot of nastiness where did I go on right this time. I say I'm not so brave with that one day. So oh my god, it just, and then you look at it and me I say, you know normally like when I do things and whatever, yo we say yo, but I think I try to talk shit because this is so like obviously God choose, like God could have stopped it, but him allow it because him have something planned. You understand? Him could have like stop it. Him allow it because him have something planned. So who is me for like take with the plan him have for me, or for like the baby, or anybody that I were involved in that situation. So that, with that being said now, that is just, I don't know. Okay, so with that being said, no, I will not go ahead and abort it. I will not do that. I'm not gonna give the baby the fair chance to live a life, and maybe the baby are the blessing, my blessing, or the missing part of me, or them none of them look over there. So maybe this baby gonna bring like joy to me and all of them something less. So now I can finally say yeah, I accept it, and I'm just excited to see what will happen and what will come next and all them somewhere. So I'm not gonna rob the baby of that, of having a life and stuff like that, because as I say, all the people out they can't give birth, and that would have just selfish and unfair of me for wanting to do that. So yeah, I won't do that. So that is the answer. I can't stop asking about it now because I won't. And I'm not bash nobody will do it, or nobody will think about doing it in your life. You can do whatever you want to do. It's all up to you. This is just my life, my personal business and stuff like that. So not come for me talking about this, that and whatever, because I know if I know the way that she belly and I don't want to talk about it. So the fact that me decide say I ain't gonna do that, leave me alone. Okay? Leave me alone. Period. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say, guys. I really don't know what else to say. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. I kind of agree with the little baby. I can agree with me. Or joke, but that's at the end of the video, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your positive comments down below. And yeah. Okay.